Excuse me, Rita Diamond. Rita Diamond, excuse me. Excuse me, please.
Oh, Musa.
I've been looking for a job for so many years. I don't know what to do. How can you help me on this?
Oh, Musa. What kind of job do you need? Is it a remote job or a full-time job?
Anything I can do just to help myself.
Oh, Musa, do you know there are certainly 3 crazy remote jobs where you can do anywhere in the world? Do you know that you can actually do it at the comfort of your home without stress? All you have to do is to have your stable internet connection and your mobile phone. Let me show you sharply. On this channel, I'm going to be showing you on how to earn money online and also how to get a remote job to do at the comfort of your home. My name still remains Rita Diamond. Come, let me show you guys. Go to upwork.com. You sign up as a freelancer looking for a job. You can also sign up as a client hiring for a project, but I'm going to sign up as a freelancer because I need a job to do at the comfort of my home. Then you click on apply as a freelancer to have access to the job. Then you sign up, input your first name, your last name, your correct email address. The password has to be mixed characters, number, alphabet, small letter. You select your country of residence. Then you check send me Apple email. That one is optional. It is very, very important to check the box in order for you to agree to their terms and condition. It is absolutely very, very important. Now that you've signed up, you can now log into your dashboard. The first step is your profiling. Yes, before you have to be employed, you have to complete your profile. You input your employment history if you have worked somewhere before, your portfolio, your educational degree and certifications. If you have a skills, this is an opportunity for you to showcase it, and it will also go on with a video introduction. Click on find job. Find jobs. You know, they have different kind of jobs for you to do. If you want to be a script writer, you want to be a writer, you want to be a blogger, you want to be a programmer here, or an editing professionals. Here they have every kind of job, varies with their prices and their locations. Okay, I'm going to select a script writer for an example because I'm actually using my profile to show you how it is being done. So this one is $30 to $75 per hour. Imagine doing this kind of job remotely for like a week. You are going to get more money than you expected. So you click on apply to jobs posted by clients, or you find freelancer and agencies, or see projects from other pros. So you can also click on categories. They have varieties of jobs available on the website. You can see on the screens from legal, finance, technology, writing, and different prices depending on your level. You understand? So if you click you're an expert, you're going to fix your price per hour. Yes, they are going to be paying you per hour, so you are going to fix the kind of job you want and the amount of money you wish to be paid per hour. Upwork has been one of my best job searching websites because of the fact that they do not discriminate regardless of your background, gender, disability status, sexual orientations, veteran status, protected characteristics. Regardless of the categories of job you have selected to do on this particular website or the one I'm still going to show you, please, you are going to use a Chatgpt to do your article or to write your words. So all you have to do now is to go to your search engine, type chat.openai.com. chat.openai.com. If you have an account before, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up. You input your email address. Please input your correct email address because you are going to be receiving a notification. After you have done with that, you click on chat.openai.com/login to get started. So the ChatGPT is going to ask you, how can I help you? You remember I applied for a job as a script writer, so I'm going to be needing some article for my work. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to write me an article 1000 words about McDonald's. You can actually type anything you want ChatGPT to do for you. If you apply as a programmer, you can also write it there. Write me 1000 words about JavaScript, for example. Can you see now that ChatGPT is writing me about McDonald's, introductory aspects to the body, to a force for good, challenges and opportunity, down to the conclusion. Can you see that ChatGPT have written me that 1000 words about McDonald's? So secondly, I want ChatGPT to write me about financial inclusion, or write me a 1000 words about financial development. That ChatGPT have written me about financial development. All you have to do now is to download it to your archive, edit it that suits your taste, input some word, or you can actually leave it as such you want it. Then copy and paste the job to the platform where you are delivering your work. It's so easy. And here, the interesting part about this job is that they are going to be paying you $1000 per week. Yes, isn't that interesting? $1000 per week. Please guys, check my description box on how to sign up ASAP. Get your job done at the comfort of your home. Here is the second website where you can get your job remotely, which is weworkremotely.com. Go to your search engine, type weworkremotely.com. weworkremotely.com has over a decade has been the #1 destination to find and list incredible remote job. We are home to the largest remote work community in the world with over 4.5 million visitors. All you have to do is to click on categories. They have series of categories of work ranging from programming to design, management and finance, product, customer support, etc. They have full-time job, they have contract job where you can do part-timely. Look at it now, all remote contract job. You can see from the dashboard there, they have freelance writer. They can work anywhere in the world. Yes, irrespective of your location, you can work as a freelancer on that particular website. It's so easy. Just go back to the website, apply for the position you want. When you applied, use ChatGPT to write your proposal or to write your work. Go back to the work and paste it. You're going to be seeing some various categories of work, ranges from salary to salary. Here they have $300 per hour work, depending on your qualification. You understand? You can as well as post your job for $299. That is, if you have a company and there is an open vacancy, you can actually come to this website to paste your job, so that people that are looking for a job can also have opportunities to apply for that particular job. The third website where you can actually get a remote job is jobspresso.com. Go to your search engine, type jobpresso.com. They are in 3 categories. They are online job, remote jobs, job posting bots, jobs available in different kind of location. So when we click on that website, you have remote job and Jobberman sponsor. You click on you visit the website to check the categories of job they have. Here you have join and get paid in Hero. You can also visit the website to know the categories of job they have. Get your dream job in no time. You can also click on the website to expound and know the kind of categories of job they have. Online typing jobs, we are going to click and visit the website to know the kind of job they have for us. So you can see online jobs hiring now, find higher position with immediate needs. Is either through part-time or with big salary, remote office job, online job for big companies. You can also search by locations. There are jobs in Nigeria. You can also visit the website. These have websites where you can get job that pays you $1,000 per week using ChatGPT to do your work, like I've shown you previously. Please, if you find this video interesting and you still want to get more of job tips and more on how to make money online legitimately, please kindly click on the subscribe button below. See you later.